After a buyer tours your home and decides to make an offer, the process moves into negotiation and, once accepted, a legally binding contract. In Georgia, most closings occur within 21 to 45 days, depending on financing, inspections, and lender timelines. First comes negotiation. You may accept, reject, or counter terms such as price, closing date, repairs, contingencies, or seller-paid costs. Once signed, the property goes under contract. Next is the buyer's due diligence period. During this time, inspections may review the roof, structure, HVAC, plumbing, electrical systems, and overall condition. Repair requests or credits are common. If financing is involved, the lender orders an appraisal to confirm value. A low appraisal may trigger renegotiation. Meanwhile, the closing attorney performs a title search to identify liens, unpaid taxes, or ownership issues. The lender completes underwriting while you prepare for move-out and agreed repairs. Before closing, both parties confirm final figures and settlement details. On closing day, documents are signed, funds are dispersed, and ownership transfers after funding and county recording are complete. For real estate guidance, call 706-426-1082. For resources, visit myresidencesold.com.